Okay, we're on video.
What if the elephants don't like us?
At least I've got a scope and you see the two trees here? Okay. If I say go, you must just hang on. This guy's going to cut his stuff, so he's responding.
Yeah, I was just going to say.
Uh-oh.
Making me nervous.
So
Yeah, what's this guy coming up this way?
Uh-oh.
The noise level down. You can round it now. It's got no escape in it.
If we die, it'll be on video.
I'll post it on YouTube. What a way to go.
We're getting surrounded.
They keep moving. They're in the road.
Can someone get a count?
I stopped around 25.
Uh-oh, this one's coming. Now I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. Oh shit. What's behind us? Oh, they're not happy. Joe, get in there. Joe, get inside. Did you on your video? Did you get her? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yes.
Oh. It should have been oh dong,
We're still on, by the way.
Dong.
So
Oh,
God.
Let's get in front of them a little bit. I don't want this guy coming at us. Or not. Okay, yeah, let's go further. I'm feeling nervous.
Yeah, we're going to get cut across right here.
Yeah. Well, that was a lot of excitement.
That was fun.